It was great. They came in and did the whole job, the entire house in 2 days.
They actually showed up early. They came in earlier than what they had planned to.
But then one day they took out all the windows, and I think there was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows. Took all the windows out and put all the new windows in. And the next day they came and took all the sliders out and then put all the new sliders in, and they were done. It was real easy.
Yes, and they also were very respectful to our house. Whatever little mess they made, they cleaned up before they left each day, which I really appreciated.
They had, they had some certain little things about their windows that were different from the rest of them. One being the weep hole in the door tracks and the window tracks to let water out, that when it rains, it doesn't accumulate in the track. And which with the sliders is a problem because it sits there and creates mud and dirt in the track, and it always has to be cleaned. These are a year old in December and haven't had to clean a track once, because water, if it gets in the track from the rain, just goes right out the bottom to the weep holes. They're very quiet. Don't even hear the garbage man coming anymore because the windows are so quiet. And I probably saved about 20% of my electric bill since I put the new windows in.
That's really
They're just so much more efficient than the old standard builder windows we had. And now I don't have to break my back to put up hurricane shutters anymore.